In this video, I will be showing you a quick tutorial on Remitly versus Wise, which is better for you. Let's begin. One thing I like is that you can use their transfer calculator to see the exchange rates and fees before signing up. They usually offer a great deal for your first transfer. No fees and a solid exchange rate that matches the mid-market rate, but that's just a promo. After the first transfer, the fees go up, and the exchange rate becomes less competitive, which can seriously eat into the amounts your recipient receives. Now, Wise is kind of the opposite in terms of pricing structure. They use the real mid-market exchange rates, the one you'd find on Google, and they apply to every transfer, without adding hidden markups. They do charge a small fee, but it's completely transparent. And because they don't mess with the exchange rates, you can't trust what you see is what you get. In a direct comparison, I looked at sending 1,200 euros. Wise ended up giving the recipients more than Remitly once the promo period ended. That might not seem like a lot, but over time it adds up, especially if you're sending money regularly. Depending on where you're sending money, how much you're sending, and how the recipient needs to receive it, one service might be better than the other. For example, Remitly supports cash pickup and works with a wider range of currencies than Wise, which is great if your recipient doesn't have a bank account or lives in a country where cash is more common. Wise, on the other hand, is more consistent and offers banking features like holding balances in different currencies. It's great if you want a long-term solution that's transparent and reliable. Another important point is to always calculate the actual amounts your recipients will receive, not just focus on whether there's a fee or not. A fee-free promo might sound good, but if the exchange rate is bad, you could lose money anyway. The total value received after all fees and conversions is what really matters. If you want to sign up for Wise or Remitly, the links will be provided in the description. I hope this video was helpful for you, and I'll see you in the next one.